Get ready for shorthand dictation by Dominic Xavier.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I present this budget to this August House and seek the approval of honorable members. I would also like to mention an important thing that this budget has been prepared for the benefit of the downtrodden. A huge amount has been allotted for agriculture because it is the backbone of the country. It also been proposed to introduce a special insurance scheme for the farmers, and thereby a farmer's family may get rupees 2 lakhs if anything untoward happens to him. The monthly premium for the said insurance will be borne by the government. The farmers have to approach the Director of Agricultural Department for any clarification. On submission of application, after verification, identity card will be given to them. Also, I would like to mention that hostel buildings for the stay of scheduled caste and scheduled tribe students are to be built in the required places. Sufficient amount has been provided under the appropriate head of the account, and instructions have been given to the officers to select the places in consultation with representatives of the public. It is said to note that in the railway budget presented by Railway Minister in Parliament, funds allotted for the implementation of schemes in Tamil Nadu and Miyagi. Request has been made to allot sufficient funds for the ongoing schemes and to announce new schemes for the benefits of the people of Tamil Nadu. The Railway Minister has assured us that the request will be considered. Mention has been made by the Governor in his address about vacuity of funds, and action has been taken to improve the financial position. We hope that this situation will be set in a few months. Though government may have to lose a huge amount of income, we have decided to impose ban on liquor after considering the request made by the members. Soon a bill in this regard will be introduced in this House. Honorable members will surely, by given opportunity at that time, to express their views. In this connection, I request all the members to be vigilant in their area and ensure that there are no more illicit liquor deaths. The police officers have also been instructed to keep a watch in this regard. Members are aware that a resolution was passed in this legislature to create a legislative control, which has been approved by the central government. Action has been taken by the Election Commission to prepare graduates and teachers voter lists. Graduates who have completed 3 years after graduation and teachers having put in 3 years of service are eligible to vote. We hope Tamil Nadu will have a legislative council in the near future. Elections to local bodies were held in recent past, and new councillors have taken charge the respective bodies. Efforts have also been taken to decentralize powers to the local bodies and more funds are diverted to them for laying roads, building over tanks, improving civil amenities, etc. Letter from Gopal Industries Private Limited, Chennai to Mrs. Vinod and Company, Coimbatore. Dear Sirs, with reference to your letter regarding supply of 500 meters of electric wire, we are glad to inform you that a parcel containing the wire has been dispatched to you yesterday and hope you will receive the same in a day or two. Kindly acknowledge receipt of the above parcel. Generally, on receipt of the order, we supply the materials only after 2 weeks. Since you have requested us to send the material urgently, we have made our staff work even on holidays and taken efforts to deliver the material in 2 days. We have sent you good quality wire and believe that you will be very much satisfied with our service. We are also sending with this letter our invoice for rupees 5,000 and request you kindly to settle this amount immediately by way of check or demand draft drawn in the name of our company. We would also take this opportunity to inform you that other electric materials. We thank you for your kind cooperation and look forward for your future orders. Yours faithfully.